Right, news coming in now after Maharashtra. The Supreme Court has now stayed the poll process on the OBC seats in the local body elections in Madhya Pradesh. The court has asked the Election Commission to re-notify the seats for general category. Right, so this is the latest after Maharashtra, now Madhya Pradesh, where the local polls have been stayed by the Supreme Court. Remember, yesterday the Supreme Court had directed Maharashtra government to notify 27% OBC seats as general seats for local body elections, and now the local body elections have been stayed in Madhya Pradesh as well. Right, so development coming in from Madhya Pradesh now, where after Maharashtra, the Supreme Court has stayed the poll process on OBC seats. This is the latest. These are the seats reserved for OBCs in the local body elections in Madhya Pradesh. The court has passed the order while hearing an application seeking a stay on the elections. This is the latest. And the judge has also directed the Election Commission to re-notify seats for general category. Remember, this also happened when the Supreme Court on Tuesday directed the Maharashtra government to notify the 27% seats reserved for the other backward classes in Maharashtra local body elections and general seats. Now Meenakshi is joining us for more details. Meenakshi, thank you for joining us. What details can you share with us after Maharashtra? Similar development has happened in Madhya Pradesh also, with the Supreme Court staying the elections.
Well, that's right, Archana. That's the moot point here, how the Supreme Court is frowning upon these separate reservation categories being created by various state governments, obviously for political capital. And the big news is that now the Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Khanvilkar-led bench has intervened in this particular matter pertaining to Madhya Pradesh. But the big news, obviously, that we had showcased just a couple of days back was pertaining to Maharashtra. But the larger perspective here is about the Supreme Court pushback on the creation of this special categories for reservation, which the Supreme Court feels goes against the moot principle of reservation that has been already set in place by the top court. So coming back to what has transpired today, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and stayed the election process in seats reserved for other backward classes or the OBCs in the local body elections in Madhya Pradesh. The court passed the order while it was hearing a batch of miscellaneous applications seeking stay of the election notification, which was dated December 4th, 2021, issued by Madhya Pradesh. This is Honorable Justice A.M. Khanvilkar-led bench, and also comprising Honorable Justice C.T. Ravikumar, who have directed now the Election Commission to re-notify the seats for general category. So this is a clear indication of judicial pushback against various state governments or political parties and their attempts to create a separate subsection apart from the precedent that's already been laid out by the Supreme Court by virtue of a Constitution bench judgment way earlier. State governments seeking to carve out a special niche for other backward caste reservation category, that clearly coming under the scanner of the Supreme Court. And after Maharashtra, this time it is Madhya Pradesh where the Supreme Court has intervened, and not just intervened, it has also directed for the Election Commission to step in and re-notify these seats as general category seats.